we're playing into the Echo side, and we had some pizza, and the mailman walks by. I got 2 packages, so we're gonna open them up. I'm gonna do the littler one first, because I don't know, I just feel like doing that. This one says it came by air.
Ooh. Carrier pigeon.
Ooh, I've been waiting for this. I ordered this like a month and a half, 2 months ago, because it's from overseas, so.
Damn.
But it's basically just a set of rings. I'll open it up real quick. See, they're just like different.
Let me get zoomed in on that. Look at that. Gorgeous.
Yeah, they're all different.
Gorgeous.
Oh, that one's cool.
Mm.
So yeah. They're probably cheap, but I paid less than $1, free shipping. I ordered this the same time, so. But they are also rings.
Hold them still.
They're supposed to be toe rings, so.
Hot toe pick?
Yeah, for my hot toe pickers.
Mm-hmm.
Toe rings.
Whoop whoop.
Switching the background up a little bit, I'm trying, and yes, I've been working on the railroad. I know I got shit all over my face. So, my brick got here. No, it's not a brick. Or is it? Oh, I better be careful. This is something I do not want to rip. Woohoo! I'm so excited! Because I know what it is. Because I saved up for it. I've been waiting for it. Fuck. Excuse my language. This is not appropriate. I'm sorry. Damn. It's just hard to get. Oh, she just taped it so well. Which, I mean, like, I like that she taped it good, but could we not wrap it so tight? I don't want to damage my item just trying to get into it. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, yes! If you're a Lisa Frank fan, then you know what this is. If not, you might as well just fast forward to the next box I opened. But yes, it is a motorcycle girl. Oh, I love it. It does smell clean. That's good. It doesn't smell like a smoker or something. But there's a little. So basically, this is not the wallet. Sorry, that was my dog. This is not the wallet one. This is the actual planner organizer. So you open it up. Bam! You got a mirror. And then you also have a little pen holder here. And then over here is like your agenda stuff. The angle, but you're sitting on a blender right now. So I got this package and I'm not sure how to open it. It's from an old pen pal of mine, and we don't like write to each other very much anymore. So it's kind of like, I wonder what this could be, because my birthday was last month. So maybe it's a birthday present? Oh, I think it is, you guys. We got a card. A letter. Aww. And then little memo pad. And then it looks like she sent me some like homemade little, I don't know what they're called, like little bookmark things. Which I do actually really like these. So let's open up this, huh? Oh, how sweet is that? Happy birthday. Oh, that's so sweet. You're so sweet, Kelly. Thank you. And then in here, oh, it's a letter. I haven't got a letter from her in so long. Ooh, I think I know what this is. I filled 2 little boxes in here. And I think that means I know what it is. Our fidget cubes are here, you guys. I'm so excited. If you don't know what the fidget cube is, this one's the green and black one. Okay, I'll open this one up. The fidget cube is for people who fidget when they're like watching a movie on the computer, like in class. It's like my thing. And they're going for like, you know, like $10 or whatever, you know, but you can get them on eBay for less than $2, free shipping. You just have to look for them. So it does come with like this little pamphlet thingy that just kind of shows like what the different things are. And then here is the cube. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't used it for so long. Oh, yes. Okay, so this spot is just like to relax your thumb, I guess, or just to hold it. This side has like little combination clicks. This has a little ball that rolls. This is like a little, it goes up and down, but it also goes like back and forth. Like a game controller. You have a light switch. You have buttons. Then you have this one that like rotates. It has like a little bump on it. And I honestly think that like I'll probably do like these 2 the most because they're quiet, or like the little ball one, but like the ones that like make noise, I don't think that'll probably be, I don't know, that's kind of like satisfying there. But Kenny's is black and red, so I'm gonna let him open this one because that's for him. I did get him one too. So. Woo! Oh yeah! Lollipop, lollipop, oh lollipop! We got package to open.
Whoa.
Not so much a package as an envelope, but there's a package inside the envelope. Yeah, the way that he wrapped it, not going to be able to show it to you completely. But here you go. How cool are those? Which this one is pretty fresh. But this one has a little boo-boo on it, whatever you call that. But you know, I'm sure you could just fill that in with a Sharpie. I'm sure you can just fill it in with a Sharpie. But yeah. These are going to be for my giveaway this year. Just to give you guys a little sneak peek. Last year I gave away a Carnival Carnage patch. So this year I'm going to give away a Wraith patch.
Thanks for watching!